Hydrogen. Its atomic number is 1. Its chemical symbol is H. Its chemical element is nonmetals. Helium. Its atomic number is 2. Its chemical symbol is He. Its chemical element is noble gas. Lithium. Its atomic number is 3. Its chemical symbol is Li. Its chemical element is alkali metals. Beryllium. Its atomic number is 4. Its chemical symbols is Be. Its chemical element is alkaline earth metals. Boron. Its atomic number is 5. Its chemical symbol is B. Its chemical element is metalloids or semi-metals. Carbon. Its atomic number is 6. Its chemical symbol is C. Its chemical element is nonmetals. Nitrogen. Its atomic number is 7. Its chemical symbol is N. Its chemical element is nonmetals. Oxygen. Its atomic number is 8. Its chemical symbol is O. Its chemical element is nonmetals. Fluorine. Its atomic number is 9. Its chemical symbol is F. Its chemical element is halogens. Neon. Its atomic number is 10. Its chemical symbol is Ne. Its chemical element is noble gas. Sodium. Its atomic number is 11. Its chemical symbol is Na. Its chemical element is alkali metals. Magnesium. Its atomic number is 12. Its chemical symbol is Mg. Its chemical element is alkaline earth metals. Aluminum. Its atomic number is 13. Its chemical symbol is Al. Its chemical element is basic or poor metals. Silicon. Its atomic number is 14. Its chemical symbol is Si. Its chemical element is metalloids or semi-metals. Phosphorus. Its atomic number is 15. Its chemical symbol is P. Its chemical element is nonmetals. Sulfur. Its atomic number is 16. Its chemical symbol is S. Its chemical element is nonmetals. Chlorine. Its atomic number is 17. Its chemical symbol is Cl. Its chemical element is halogens. Argon. Its atomic number is 18. Its chemical symbol is Ar. Its chemical element is noble gas. Potassium. Its atomic number is 19. Its chemical symbol is K. Its chemical element is alkali metals. Calcium. Its atomic number is 20. Its chemical symbol is Ca. Its chemical element is alkaline earth metals.